Indian GDP growth during COVID-19. What is GDP? Gross domestic product is the total monetary or market value of all finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period. As a broader measure of overall domestic production, it is functions as a comprehensive scorecard of given country's economic health. Since GDP is based on the monetary value of goods and services, it is subject to inflation. Raising prices will tend to increase a country's GDP, but this does not necessarily reflect any change in quantity or quality of goods and services produced. Thus, by looking just an economic nominal GDP, it can be difficult to tell whether the figure has risen as a result of real expansion in production or simply because prices rose. Economy of India. The economy of India is characterized as a developing market economy. It is the world's sixth largest economy by nominal GDP and the third largest by purchasing power party. Nominal gross domestic product of India is 2,65,072 crores 53,35,364 dollars used as of 2017. Real GDP contest inflation adjusted of India reached 2,66,037 crores 17,03,953 in 2017. GDP growth rate in 2017 was 6.68% annual change. According to official data from the World Bank and projections from Trading Economics, the GDP value of India presents 2.39% of the world economy.
India GDP during the pandemic. The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of the Statistics. The chief economic advisor to the government of India said that this drop is mainly due to the coronavirus pandemic effect on the Indian economy. Notably, India has also been witnessing a pre-pandemic slowdown, and according to the World Bank, the current pandemic has magnified pre-existing risks to the Indian economic outlook. The Ministry of the Statistics, the program implementation showed that India's gross domestic product has contracted by 23.9% for the April to the June quarter. In the gross value added terms, the economy had contracted by 22.8%. India GDP growth rate in the last 5 years. The maximum GDP growth rate in India in the last 5 years is in the year 2016, which accounts for 30% of the total GDP growth in the last 5 years. From then, the GDP has suffered a steady decline from 30% in 2016 to 6.8% in 2020. As a result of the pandemic, there has been a decrease of 8.6% from 2019 to 2020. As you can see a pie diagram in which shows the GDP growth rates in the last 5 years.
Effect of COVID on the world economy. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, several countries across the world resorted to lockdowns to flatten the curve of the infection. These lockdowns meant confining millions of citizens to their homes, shutting down businesses, and ceasing almost all economic activity. According to the International Monetary Fund, the global economy is expected to shrink by over 3% in 2020, the steepest slowdown since the Great Depression of 1930. China's GDP dropped by 36.6% in the first quarter of 2020, while South Korea's output fell by 5.5% since the country didn't impose a lockdown but followed a strategy of aggressive testing, contact tracing, and quarantining. In Europe, the GDPs of France, Spain, and Italy fell by 21.3%, 19.2%, and 17.5% respectively. This graph shows the GDP decline of different countries during COVID pandemic. We can see from the graph that Brazil has the maximum decline, that is minus 9.7%, and China has the minimum decline with minus 4.3%. This plot shows the imports of different countries from China during COVID pandemic.